So what you need to do now is take one flap, put your finger right here in the middle where this opens up, and you push it down right at this crease and fold it in to this triangle. This top part should look like a triangle, like that. Now we are going to continue working with these triangles that we made. We are going to open them up, try folding the side, the bottom right here, in on either side, so there and there, but don't fold them down all the way yet. Take your finger and you pull up here, right in the middle, and you take your thumb and you push back in the back like this. And it should collapse in on itself to make almost a diamond. Not really, sort of. See how here you've got a diamond now. Now, finally for something easy. We're going to take the flaps that we have on our diamonds and we're just going to fold them down. Find all your diamonds that you made, take the flaps, and fold them all down. Now, don't go ballistic on me, but the next step is to take it all apart. I know, crazy, but now what you need to do is take the sides where you should have big triangles sticking up. Put your hands on either side of those. If you push it together, the triangle should come together. And then you can push, see how there's a big opening here? Push the triangle into the opening. And since there's 4 triangles, you do that with all of them. Fold them down in there. Sometimes they'll go straight in, sometimes you have to fold them a little bit. There you go. Now you take the little triangles left, right there, these ones, and you fold them out a little bit, just so they're about 90 degrees. See, 90 degrees almost, generally. And now, here's the inside of your lily. Here's the outside of your lily. You've made yourself an origami lily! Yay!